What's up, guys? We're DJ Q back with another video. Today we're going to talk about how to record your DJ sets just using your phone. Everybody knows that cell phones nowadays have super dope cameras. They're really good in low light for like in the club or in the bar situations. You always got your phone on you, and it's just super easy to utilize. But what I'm going to talk about today is just a couple tools that I like to use in conjunction with my phone just to make life a little bit easier. And we'll go into some things about how to get direct audio from your DJ mixer to your phone as well. So first I want to talk about this little guy right here. This is an iPhone 15. I think the iPhone 12 and up all have magnetic backings, but then I also have like a MagSafe case on it. So this little guy right here is just a magnetic tripod extension. So if I screw this on to a little Manfrotto tripod here, all I have to do with the phone is just stick it on there, and then it's on there. So I don't have to mess with that whole like clamp situation with a lot of other tripod cell phone holders. This one, either we can go horizontal, we can go vertical. Super dope, super easy. The next thing, and of course, you set up your tripod wherever you are so you can get, your angles right. I like to use a rear camera when I record with the phone. But the next thing you're really going to need is this right here, is iRig Stream. This allows you to get direct audio through like an RCA out of your DJ mixer controller. And basically how it works, it has this plug right here that will plug into this side, and then the iPhone or Android has USB-C connection on it. So you want to plug this in to this end to the iRig, then this end into the phone right here, and then have a Y cable going into your DJ mixer or or just an RCA. So you could run RCA into like an RCA out, or you could run RCA into, if you got like a 1/8 inch jack out, maybe like your headphone port or something like that, if you don't have another RCA. But any RCA will work, or you could, if you have an adapter that's going RCA to 1/4 inch or RCA to XLR, whatever you have will work. But this thing is really dope, super, easy to use. It's about $100. The next thing you probably want to do though is if you were to go this route with direct audio and you're running like a long DJ set with your phone, obviously your phone battery won't last forever. So what I have here is actually a magnetic charger, which is really dope. So if you're plugging this in to your phone USB-C, and this, you won't be able to charge it unless you buy the charging piece that goes along with this. Is extra, but this is a lot cheaper. So basically what this is, I've taken this apart, and then this is like a vent charger for your car. So you ever buy one of these on Amazon, it just basically like clips onto the vent, and then you can just magnetically put your phone on it and it'll charge it. So what's cool about this is I can plug my USB-C in here to the charger, and then pop this onto my phone. Now my phone's charging, right? Because I'm charging this, and then I can run my iRig Stream out of the phone, or into the phone, I'm sorry, to get my direct audio. Because if I'm only using this one, obviously this is not a charger, this is just a magnetic little plate, which is dope, but I'm not going to be able to charge my phone simultaneously while getting direct audio from the mixer while using the iRig Stream. All right, so if you got brand new phone and you got a lot of battery life, that's great. You can just use one of these and just pop that onto your tripod. But maybe you got an older phone that your battery is not as stable, or your battery is just low, I would go this route. And again, I'll put some links in the description from Amazon. I mean, this thing is like probably like $5, and then you just take it apart and put the little ball socket onto this. Basically, if you see, it's the same exact thing. And all I've done is just taken it apart and put this on instead of this. And again, this charges, so I can plug my USB-C in here. I'll move this, actually moves out of the way a little bit. Plug my USB-C in just like that. Actually, I think I got another USB-C right here that's actually a live one. Maybe not. Maybe I don't. But anyway, USB-C here. Obviously, this would go into like a brick, this other side. And then once you pop your phone on there, it's magnetized, so it's on there, and it's also charging. Then I could plug my USB-C into my phone, plug this other end into the iRig stream, like so. There it is, right? And then the other end would be RCA out to the DJ mixer. And then of course, just go to your phone record app and hit record. Super easy way to use your cell phone to record really dope, DJ mixes, get some really clean audio with some really clean video, because, like I said, the iPhones or the Samsungs or whatever, like all these cell phones have great video. And then the only issue a lot of times is just getting the audio, where this iRig stream would come into play. There's some other devices out there too. I'm not as familiar with them, but I've used this quite a bit and it works really well and it's super easy to use. I would definitely recommend that. And then, any tripod, whatever, like this little Manfrotto guy, works for me, but you could get, there's millions of tripods out there. But I think the key is, again, whether, this guy, I think it's called UBZ. What I would do really is go on Amazon and look up magnetic tripod adapter. This also too is a magnetic charger, a magnetic vent clip charger for your car that I've taken apart and then just added to this tripod adapter so that I can plug in the USB-C in here. So this is powered, it's magnetic charging, so magnetizes, charging. And then I can, again, hook up my iRig to my phone, also hook it up to the DJ mixer, and boom, I'm off to the races. So again, that's how I do a lot of my live gigs, like if I'm out at a gig, because having my phone is just super easy, because I have it, I can record some videos for YouTube or make some reels for Instagram or TikTok or whatever I want to do. All right, guys, I hope that helps, man. Showing you guys how, some little tips and tricks on how to record your sets and make some cool videos just by using the old cell phone. All right, guys, I'll get back at you. DJ Q, I'm out. Peace.